Vanakkam. Hi, hello, how are you all? This is Sudha. Welcome to JST Creation Crochet. Today, I am going to show you how to make this cute little lion. This is very easy. Beginners can try this. Very interesting one. For this project, I have used some leftover yarns, safety eyes, and 3.5 mm crochet needle and scissors. To begin with magic ring, chain 1, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5, now 6 single crochet. Now pull the yarn and make a slip knot on the first single crochet and complete round number 1. Now round number 2 with the chain 1, 1 single crochet, another single crochet on the same stitch, 2 single crochet on same stitch. Total number of stitches is 12. Slip stitch on the first single crochet and complete round number 2. Now round number 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet on the next stitch and 1 single crochet on next stitch, 1 single crochet on each stitches. Total number of stitch is 12. Slip stitch on the first single crochet and finish round number 3. 4. Now on the round number 3, I am going to fix the eyes. Now I am going to show you how to make it. Place the eyes anywhere you want on a suitable place. Now skip 1, 2 stitches, and on the third stitch keep the second eye. Now I am going to just place it and show you. Later on I will fix it nicely. Okay, here the eyes. Now I am going to remove it and continue round number 4. Round number 4, chain 1. Now see, normally we make single crochet and 2 skein. Now I am going to do 1 skein. This is called back loop single crochet. 1, 2, back loop single crochet on each stitches. Total number of stitches is 12. In this front loop, I am going to do another stitch. I will show you on the last video how to make that stitch carefully. Slip stitch on the first single crochet and complete round number 4. See that front loop stitches are popping off, right? Here it is. Now round number 5 and 6, I am going to make 1 single crochet on each stitches. Total number of stitches is 12. Now slip stitch on the first single crochet and complete row number 6. Okay, now I have fixed the eyes. Now I am going to do the mouth part. On the first round, just place it on one side. Okay, now skip 3 stitches and place it the yellow color yarn on the other side of the stitch on the first round. Okay, now again on the magic ring, insert the needle into the magic ring, and on the first stitch round, just insert the brown color yarn to make the mouth. Insert it and find the straight one. Insert the needle into it and pull the yarn. See, now I have completed. Now I am going to tie the knots and secure it. Right? I am not going to cut it and just keep it inside. Now it's stuffing time. I am stuffing some cotton into it. Now round number 7, 1 single crochet with the chain 1 and second single crochet on the second stitch. On the third and fourth stitch I am going to do a decrease. Wrap the yarn, pull through. Wrap the yarn, pull through on the fourth stitch and pull through all 3 together. This is going to be a decrease. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, third single crochet, pull through the yarn, and on the fourth single crochet also pull through the yarn, 3 on my loop and pull through all 3 together. Total number of stitches is 9. Slip stitch on the first single crochet and complete round number 7. Now round number 8 with the chain 1 single crochet on the first stitch, and on the second and third stitch I am going to do the decrease. Right? Now again move on to the next stitch and make a single crochet, and next 2 stitches is going to be a decrease. Total number of stitches is 6. Now make the decrease, slip stitch on the first single crochet and complete round number 8. Now again I am going to put some stuffing to make the lion beautifully. Okay, see, now I am going to cut the yarn and finish the last part. Just insert into the opposite direction and pull through the yarn. Complete the round number 9 like this, so it will look nice. Now I am going to do this head part. I'm telling it is head part, but I don't know what it is called. Just if you know it, just tell me. Now single crochet on the first, anywhere you can start on the stitch and make 1/2 single crochet halfway through, 2, 3 single crochet halfway through, pull through all 4 yarns and make 1, 2 chains, pull the yarn a little, insert into the stitch and pull that yarn on the front side. Right? Now move on to the next stitch and make a slip knot. And move on to the next stitch, make a slip knot. Now chain 1 and single crochet halfway pull through once, pull through twice, oops, pull through thrice. Now 4 on my loop, wrap the yarn and pull through all 4. 1, 2 chains, pull the yarn, remove the needle and pull it front side like this. Okay, now again slip stitch on the next stitch, slip stitch on the next stitch. Continue this process. See, I have completed. Right now I am going to secure the remaining yarn. Done. See how it is. Now I am going to make the legs. Let's see how to make the legs. For the legs, on the magic ring, 1 single crochet, 2, 3 and 4 single crochet on the magic ring. Slip stitch on the first single crochet and finish round number 1. Round number 2, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet on each stitches. Total number of stitches is 4. Now slip stitch on the first single crochet and finish it off. Make like this 4. Secure it nicely and make 4 legs. Okay, now assembling part. See the eyes. Next to that there's one head. I don't know what it is called. That stitch is there. So behind that just make 1 leg. Okay, skip 1 row and on the next row keep the second leg, stitch it nicely. Now I'm just showing it, you can make it another way, stitch it. Okay, now on the another side eyes, this stitch, on the next stitch behind that keep it earlier as earlier. Thank you for watching my video. Drop your comments on the comment box. Nandri, vanakkam.